Hello and welcome to MultiTeach. In this tutorial, I will provide an overview of the Snowflake MultiTeach Nodes app, and then show how to use its features to create a content-rich concept map. Teachers can use nodes to provide interactive educational experiences that can be accessed by 2 or more students at a time. Each node supports the import and presentation of pictures, videos, and PDF files. This is an example of a brochure from the Sarasota Bay Estuary program. As you can see here, informational text can be added to each node. Students can use nodes collaboratively for brainstorming ideas with digital content and text, explore the relationships between concepts, and create their own nodes projects. Nodes is especially engaging when paired with various types of lessons apps using the Snowflake MultiTeach Zones feature. This is an example of a drop lesson app designed to reinforce concepts presented in this Nodes project. This example shows the Scramble lesson app with vocabulary words presented in the Nodes project, aligned with curriculum objectives. To start using the Nodes app, open Snowflake MultiTeach. This will lead you to the Tools menu of the main interface. Select Nodes to open the app. When the screen opens, you'll see the Edit Mode interface on the left side of the screen. For this overview, I will load a previously prepared Nodes project. This will open up a file browser where I will select the project. By toggling the green indicator button next to the Edit Mode text to the left, it turns red. This indicates that Edit Mode is off and Presentation Mode is on. The Manage Project menu can be used to create, load, and save a project. All other options are disabled. In presentation mode, students can explore content. To move a node, select and drag it. Tapping a node in this mode will open or close it. You can search for previously created nodes by opening the corner menu and pressing the search button. A search window will open and show a list of the nodes. You can select the desired node from the list. Type in the search field to narrow down the list. Let's take a look at the Edit Mode window. When it is active, you can create new nodes, label them, set node background colors, add and edit digital content such as pictures and video clips, make connections between nodes, delete items, and browse for screen backgrounds. Create new nodes by dragging an empty node out onto the canvas. Select the Name button to begin editing the node name. Select any of the 5 colors to change the color of the currently selected node. When Edit Content is activated, make sure the Node Content window is open to access the node's editing content features. Add Media will let you browse for an image, video, or PDF to add. Items can later be scaled by pinching. Add Text will open up a text input field that lets you type in text. Pressing Enter will add that text as a block in the Node Content window. To edit items in the Content window, tap or select the content block, which will open up a small menu to the side of it. This menu can be used to move the content position up and down. You can also edit text content by pressing the pen icon, opening the text entry box, as shown here. You can remove the item by pressing the trash can, at which point a small Confirm button will appear. Pressing the Confirm button will remove the content. Connections between nodes are a way to explore the relationships between concepts and ideas. Here, I'll demonstrate how connections are made in a Nodes project. In the Edit Mode window, select the Connections button. To create a connection from a selected node, press the icon at the bottom of the node. This will generate a floating connection that you can drag to a valid parent node. Parent nodes can be identified by a small connector icon in the upper left-hand corner. This will make the selected node a child to the parent. To remove a connection, select the child node, then press the icon at the bottom of the node, and drag a new line from that spot. The first connection line will disappear as a new connection line appears. Dropping the new connection on the node that is being connected will restore any previous connections. If the connection is dropped onto the canvas, the node will be left without a parent and will now be considered a root node. Selecting Delete will open up a dialog window confirming the removal of the currently selected node. Selecting Yes will remove the node. Selecting No will close the dialog. Deleting a node that has hidden children will delete those children as well. Selecting Browse Background will open up a file browser. Use this to browse for an image to set as the background for this project. As mentioned before, in the Manage Project section, you can create a new project, save an existing one, or load a previous project. New will open up a dialog window asking if the user really wants to create a new project. Choosing Yes will clear everything and give you a new canvas to work on. Choosing No will close the dialog window and you can keep working on the current project. Save will open a file browser where you can choose a project name and where to save it. Nodes will create a folder with the same name as the project in the given location. When you have selected a location, select Save in the bottom of the file browser. Select Cancel will close the file browser and nothing will be saved. Load will open to a file browser where you can select one of your previously created projects to load into nodes. This has been an introduction to Snowflake MultiTeach Nodes app. For additional information regarding NUITEQ Snowflake MultiTeach, visit the Support Wiki, the MultiTeach Lessons Community, MultiTeach Pinterest, and the NUITEQ Snowflake MultiTeach website.